Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So, this is a winner chicken dinner. So, I got this in the mail, and then I didn't open it. And just recently, there was one day I went to school, and it is indoor recess. So it's because the air quality is unhealthy. So I remember I have this air filter. The air filter that you wear on your neck. How interesting. Let's see how it works. Let's open it up. I actually have just tried. So this is not the first time I open it. I already know a little bit how to use it. So here this is, so you can wear it on your neck. I am wear on my neck. It's a little bit like, yeah, it's just, you can see I wear it on my neck. And it's a little bit like what? Like a big earring. Jumbo huge earring. And inside this there is an air filter charger. I already charged. USB mini charge. A little bit out of it. And this one is an air filter. And this one is this. This one is this. This one is that. Okay. Now what do? We will connect this one here. Can you see? Okay, this way it will not fall down. And here we connect to here. You can see it. Connect one, connect two. There is something. Okay, so it is connected, and oh, I will need to put this inside the, yeah, it's better to first put this one inside and this one outside. So I will wear this, put it on my neck. I think you can see me. This is the face mask. That looks a little bit strange, don't you think so? And this is how it works. And yeah, this is the setup. Now let's go back to see it. Okay, wear my glasses. And we can take a look. You can turn it and see what it is inside. Inside is a filter. You can see here. You can put it here. One filter here already. On this side is the filter. On the other side, I do not know if I am supposed to open it up, but it does look different. What is this? So you close it up. Now what we are going to do, this is on and off, and this one is charger, and here I think this is the power mode. Or let's see how it works. So you press it for a long time. I mean, you press it. Oh, not. Okay, so you press, it starts to work, to vent and filter the air. It filters 99% of the air. It filters a lot. I do not know how much it filters. Now let me try to wear it and see how it works. Yeah, just like this. Now I put it on my neck. Oh my goodness, that's quite interesting actually. Never thought about it, because recently, when for a long time, when the mask is not mandatory. I did not wear any mask, and it does provide some of the wind, quite a fresh wind, and it feels quite fresh actually. It's quite good, quite good. Yeah, that is this little trick fit ear necklace. This is your ultimate personal purifier. You do feel that it's clean air. It smells fresh. It's quite interesting. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.